Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this scenario, maps out a pretty interesting setup as the price got hammered down quite a bit. However, that's where things got interesting, because after getting hammered down quite a bit, the price did actually start to show some signs of strength. So what do I mean by signs of strength? Well, this will sound kind of anticlimactic, but I'll explain. The signs of strength was the price just simply started to go sideways. I get it. What are you talking about? Sideways price action with strength? Yeah, in certain situations it is, and in this situation is definitely one of those circumstances. Let's consider the context. What had the price been doing for quite a while? Just been getting absolutely beat down, beat down, beat down. So to see it go sideways is a nice sign. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has gotten beat down and all of a sudden it's going sideways does not mean that for sure this is the bottom and that for sure the price is going to bounce. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to occur. But like I said, it's at least logical at this point in time. Case in point, when the price was still just dropping and dropping and dropping, it would have made no sense to say, I wonder if this is going to bounce. I wonder if this is the bottom. Why would you think it's the bottom when all the price had been doing was going down? But now with the sideways price action, it makes it at least valid to question that. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, ideal level going into Friday that you would want to see the price stay above is $2.70. The must-hold level is down there at $2.60, and there's nothing complicated behind that other than the fact that that is just simply as low as the price has gotten. So if the price were to break below there, well, then by definition, that's no longer the bottom, and that this whole downtrend is continuing. So keep an eye on those couple levels of support. As far as levels of resistance and levels to keep an eye on, the one thing to note is that the final 30 minutes right there, you can see produced a very nice volume surge. So if that surge is going to continue, let's talk about a couple of these potential battlegrounds in the form of resistance levels. As far as where the sellers are at, initial level going to be right here at $2.85 if the price can push up through $2.85. Next key level after that, that former area of support right up around the $3 mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, an interesting setup with the nice sideways price action, the nice volume surge the final 30 minutes. We'll see if this is going to lead to some sort of further bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.